Well, today we're going to be replacing our burners on the Brinkmann barbecue. Let's take a look at this inside here. We'll have to get that all cleaned up. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So we ordered new ones, these ones, and you take a look at this. Our burner over time wears out all the heat. Doesn't take long to wear out. Just replaced these 3 years ago. We ordered a new set on Amazon. Doesn't take long to replace them. It's only $50 Canadian. Better than spending $300, $400, $500 on a new barbecue. Well, let's just get at it. We won't be able to take those screws out anymore, but we're going to probably have to grind them off. We'll get the grinder out here. We'll rip these all out of here. Let's go take a look at our package. Let's see what we just got in the mail. Let's see what we got here. I'll be right back. Well, finally got that well-wrapped package opened up, and here's our burners. And these parts here is to transfer the gas from one burner to the next. We only have a sparker to light the barbecue, only on one, and then these transfer the gas from one burner to the next. Let's get started. All unpackaged and ready to go. Toss that. That comes out easy. We'll grind it all the way down here. There you go, that was easy. Let's clean this place up. Let's put the new ones in. Let's start putting her back together. Pretty simple. There we go. Go. Then we'll put our cross pieces in here. While we're getting started here, you can see this barbecue works out. Put a bolt and nut on the underside, tighten that up. Use this bracket here This slides into this to be adjustable for different barbecues. That one goes on here. Using that bracket, we put that screw and nut on here and carry on, do the same thing all the way down here. We'll show you what it looks like when we're all done. Well, there you have it. Burners are installed. We line these up as straight as possible. You turn the gas on this one, you ignite it. You turn the gas on this one, flame comes through here, ignites this one. Turn the gas on here, flame comes through and ignites this one. Turn the gas on here, flame comes through, lights the last one. Let's put the covers on top. It's gonna look like a new barbecue. Flip this thing around so they're all the same. Well, there you go. Let's clean those grills up and put them back on too, and then we'll fire it up. Well, there we go. It's a little windy outside, but we have all the burners up and running, nice and hot, cleaned up, good for another 3 years. And after these next 3 years, I think it will be done. The bottom pan's getting a little rusty, but we're good to go for another 3 years for sure. Saves us buying another barbecue. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it helped you out. Replace yours, get yours fixed. Enjoy your barbecue. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see us on our next project.